whether it's going to it has given us 2 hours and 15 minutes, and then you press start. Anyway, my freezer has been literally empty for the longest, and guess what? My laundry had been there looking at me like, you need to do us. So today I want us to do it together. I want us to get it done, all done in one video, in one setting. So we're going to do the laundry together, and we're going to restock our freezer. So this is the current state of my freezer. Please don't laugh at me, don't do nothing, just wish me well. Should I open it? Should I or should I not? I just want to show you how the freezer how empty it is. Now let me explain. I can explain, guys. So this one right here, this is what my daughter does. Imagine, she made this as a package, and she made it for her dad. Yeah, so it has been in the freezer for the longest. Actually, this is what has been taking space in this freezer for the longest. So that is how it looks at the moment. And so yeah, we just have 2 pieces of beans because of course I like beans. I love beans. I don't like beans. I love beans. I won't lie. I love beans, especially with rice. I can have beans with the spaghetti. Yeah, call me weird, but that's how I love my beans. Yeah, that is the current state of my freezer. So we're going to restock the freezer together. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and also share out the videos. Welcome to Carol. Welcome to my washing area. And when I tell you that the laundry had just been sitting around and looking at me like, yo, we need to be washed, we need to get washed. So this is how it looks like. So here is the laundry. That's the laundry. Here is our washing machine, and I'm going to do that with you in a few. So I'm going to start with the school uniform. Here we have some tights. That is what you're going to start with. I always like to turn the clothes before washing them, because these ones, you're not so sure. They're usually so dirty, you know, they're dusty. So you need to make sure that I've turned them. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. That is the current situation of the school uniform. Can you imagine? Anyway, we're going to get it all done right now.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something never fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So I'm going to add a little bit of washing powder. Just a little bit of it because the clothes are so dirty, especially the uniform. And I'm going to pour it inside like that. And then we lock our washing machine. Make sure you lock it nicely like that. We're now going to add our soap and our Star Soft, a cupful of it like that. And then I usually make sure I shake my soap because it's so thick. Half of it or 3/4 of it, because the clothes are dirty, the uniform especially. And then make sure you lock it in nicely like that. Of course, you remove these ones from up there. I'm now going to turn it on here. Right there we have the guard. You see, it's now on, and then now we are going to set it to our liking. Let me show you. So I'm going to set it here on outdoor because they are dirty. There you go. So it has given us 2 hours and 15 minutes, and then you press start. There it has locked itself, and then water will now start coming in, and our clothes are now washing. Got the machine running, and now come, let's do the restock together. I'm excited about this one because it has been a while, you know. So right here I have this knife with me. I love it. It's very huge. We have different kinds of meat, and I believe this is chicken. We're going to see it together, and we have beef, and we have liver. We have lots of liver here, and we are going to start with, I think, beef. Let's start with beef. So I'm going to slice it first, and then we are going to wash it and then marinate some of it, and then we stock it into the freezer. So we are done with the beef. Let's go to the next one. Next, we do chicken. I've already cut it for me, so that's a plus. Look at that. Why did they have to do this? So my daughter is she's here, and what are you saying?
I'm going to eat the chicken's head. This one.
You like it?
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Really?
Guys, look
So
at
angalia
it
hapa.
opening its eyes. It's going to look so scary.
And you're going to eat it?
Yeah.
So ameniambia ati nisitupe? My God. Okay. Right now the laundry is at 1 hour 13 minutes. Yes. Before we continue, I'll make the marination. I'm going to add some oil, add curry powder, spice, mixed spice, a little bit of it. I'm going to add a lemon, salt, add a little bit of soy sauce. Now start with this. I'll just put a little bit of it. Second one. Right here. I'm going to add, and then I make sure I mix well. Guys, we're done with our marination and packing. That is how the beef looks like. We have the liver. I did not marinate liver, and we have chicken right here. Perfect. Pause. Now let's okay. Okay. This is why I love this. This is why I love these tins, because they give you your fridge. Look at that. It's already looking good. Look at that organization. This is like a freezer organization. That is why I love these tins. I actually have so many. I have so many of them. I don't know whether the space is going to be enough. Hold on a bit. I I don't know whether it's going to fit. Oof. My God, we still have 4 of them remaining. I don't know whether they're going to fit down here. Let's see. Yeah. Yay! On this other side.
There is one more.
One more.
Kuja kufunga freezer. Nataka kuleta nikuonyeshe.
Haizi tosha hivyo. Ama tuipike. Kika hivyo inafinya, inakataa kufungika. Inakataa. And finally we have the freezer is restocked. On this other side I have my beans. I have some whipping cream. I'm thinking of using it to make some ice cream. We have some beef brown right here, some more whipping cream, and some, this is liver on this other side. So I feel so good. I feel so good. My freezer is now full. Look at that. But now we need to boil some cereals. I don't know where, if I boil some cereals, where I'm going to put this, to put them. I don't know. Comment section, what do you think about my freezer restock? I'm feeling excited. The freezer was super empty. Oh my God. My laundry is almost done. So yeah, so right now it's headed to 6 p.m. Yeah, it has taken time, but I'm happy with the results. Yeah, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also share it out. You are watching Carol Unfiltered. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.